Welcome back, students. Hope you all are doing well and practicing MySQL. By now we have covered the topics creation of databases and tables, inserting values in tables, query handling with select command with all possible operators. Now let's learn how to modify table structure and data which we have already entered and many other things. First is modify or alter the table structure. We will be working on the same table student of database school. The screen in front of you displays the existing structure and data of student table. Now we are going to add a column games of string data type. The command is on the screen. Now check the structure and data by using suitable commands. You will notice that in table structure a new column games has been added and on the same time the records also have the column games whose value is null. Because this column has been added after entering records, so this column has been allotted value null by default, which we can change with the help of update command. This update command we will learn later. Now, using modify clause with alter table command will help you change the data type and size of the column. This command will change the data type of games column from varchar to integer. Run this command, describe student and compare its result with the previous result. Drop is the clause used with alter table command to delete the column. We can delete any column. The data in the column will also be deleted, but we cannot recall that because we have already studied alter is a DDL command and changes done with these commands are permanent. Let's now learn how to modify the data of a table. For this, update command is used. The syntax of this command is: now try these commands. In statement 1, the marks of all students where the name is Monica Rana will be replaced with 94. To check the changed data, you can use the select command. Any change done with update and alter command will directly affect the data and structure of the table respectively. After updation, let's see how we can delete a specific row or all rows without deleting columns. For this, delete command is used. The syntax for this is: this will delete specific row which satisfies the condition roll number is equal to 14. This will delete all the rows from the table. By now, it is clear that to delete a table, drop table command is used, and to delete a column, only drop clause is used with alter table command, and to delete rows, delete command is used. Keep practicing these commands. You can refer to the MySQL chapters of NCERT book of last year for practice question.